Hi everyone, and welcome to my video on machine learning. Machine learning is a type of artificial intelligence that allows computers to learn without being explicitly programmed. In other words, machine learning algorithms can learn from data and improve their performance over time without being explicitly told what to do. How does machine learning work? Machine learning algorithms work by building models from data. These models can then be used to predict future events or make decisions. For example, a machine learning algorithm could be used to build a model that can predict whether a customer will churn. This model could be built by training the algorithm on data from past customers, such as their purchase history and demographics. Once the model is trained, it can be used to predict whether new customers are likely to churn. Types of machine learning. There are two main types of machine learning: supervised learning and unsupervised learning. In supervised learning, the algorithm is trained on data that has been labeled. This means that the data includes both the inputs and the desired outputs. For example, a supervised learning algorithm could be trained on data from labeled images of cats and dogs. The algorithm would learn to identify cats and dogs in new images. In unsupervised learning, the algorithm is trained on data that has not been labeled. This means that the algorithm has to figure out what the data means on its own. For example, an unsupervised learning algorithm could be used to cluster customers into different groups based on their purchase history. Applications of machine learning. Machine learning is used in a wide variety of applications, including recommendation systems. Machine learning is used to recommend products, movies, and other content to users based on their past behavior. Fraud detection. Machine learning is used to detect fraudulent transactions and other types of fraud. Medical diagnosis. Machine learning is used to help doctors diagnose diseases and recommend treatments. Self-driving cars. Machine learning is used to power self-driving cars and other autonomous vehicles. Natural language processing. Machine learning is used to develop natural language processing (NLP) applications, such as chatbots and machine translation. Conclusion. Machine learning is a powerful tool that can be used to solve a wide variety of problems. It is a rapidly growing field with many exciting new applications on the horizon. I hope this video has been informative and helpful. If you have any questions about machine learning, please leave them in the comments below. Subscribe our channel for more informative videos about artificial intelligence and technology.